Day. We're on our way to Anyong. Haseyo. Where's Anyong? Where's Anyong? Ito ba yun? Ito? Okay, so yan. Diyan kami pupunta. But to what's here? Okay. There's a lot. There's a lot. Many more. What's this? It's walk. Ah, so dito yung meat. Itong meat na to, pwede siyang ipasok doon sa hot pot natin. Ito. Ay, wow, wow, wow. Hindi ko pa na-try ito. So yummy. Delicious. The Korean is eating. It's matigas. Ay, just gotta go. Karaldengan. Annyeonghaseyo. Pound per pound. So we're here at Orchard. And we're just walking. We're looking for like a store to visit. But if not, we're gonna go to where? Alma Mater. Sige, buses. Ayun, dumaan na sila. Ito po, Holy Angel University. Holy Angel University. Eh, sis, mag-try po mo sa lesi. Pagkikatami, tos ka pa rin. Ano ko rin naman dito? Kini yan. Seasonal drinks sa'yo. Really, the lighting is very, very nice. Picture kita. Ano? Ha? Mag-i-edit ako ng vlog. Birthday vlog. Nasaan yung ano? Congratulations. Thank you so much. The rain. It's getting dark. Ay, hindi. Kasi Pasko na. Diba? There are a lot of students. Wash day today. Kaya hindi sila naka-uniform. Holy Angel University. The first Catholic church. That is the first Catholic university in the Region 3. I think it is also the biggest university in the Region 3.
Baliktad. Dapat ka.
Ha? Okay. Ay. Nasa tindahan tayo. Hi, Rai Rai. Say hi. Sino may birthday? What are you gonna tell?
I love you.
I love you.
Hindi mo na flash na.
Pansit.
Okay.
May Nulay Mother, oh. Pampano.